The majority of companies struggle to find an answer to a fundamental question, which is whether or not they should automate their business activities. A study conducted by Gartner found that the RPA business is one of the segments of the global corporate software market that is expanding at one of the highest rates. Automating repetitive processes is one way that robotic process automation, RPA, can help increase quality and productivity while also lowering costs. However, if you are not familiar with the most recent developments in the RPA business, you may be unable to fully exploit the potential offered by this technology. You are going to get a comprehensive overview of RPA industry trends, as well as how it is influencing important sectors by accelerating digital transformation in the course of watching this video. RPA's 3 most common applications. When it comes to business process improvement, organizations tend to think in 2 small steps. However, the rapid evolution of the digital landscape has required organizations to step outside of their comfort zones and become prepared for the future. Robotic process automation, RPA, solutions have developed into more of a need than a luxury in today's industry, which places a premium on positive client experiences. You may improve the overall efficiency of your end-to-end digital processes by adopting a strategic approach to automation. Let's investigate how RPA is being used in various industries to create a more positive experience for customers. Business relating to finance. According to a survey that was conducted in 2020 by Gartner, it was discovered that 60% of finance functions are in the process of developing or have already adopted RPA-driven automation procedures for financial services. RPA is beneficial to the financial industry since it helps automate a variety of front-end and back-end activities. The technology has assisted fintech organizations in many ways, including the analysis of data and the automation of manual operations. This has led to the creation of new products, putting a stop to frauds. One of the most important responsibilities of financial institutions is to investigate and prevent fraudulent transactions. Banks use the capabilities provided by RPA to examine recent and historical transactions to find irregular patterns and high-risk areas. Credit card issuance and loan processing are 2 of the most laborious tasks in the banking industry. Issuing credit cards and processing loans are both very laborious tasks. No longer, however, automation technology enables banks to validate customer information more quickly, while simultaneously reducing the number of errors caused by human error. This ultimately results in speedier loan disbursement. Generation of reports. By the regulations governing compliance, banking and financial institutions are required to generate several reports, some of which include bank reconciliation and closing statements. These reports contain a substantial amount of data, including thousands of transactions. RPA bots collect data from a wide variety of sources and transform data that is unstructured into data that is structured. 3 essential aspects that deserve your attention. Through the automation of routine processes, robotic process automation, RPA, technology is assisting the finance industry in lowering its operational expenses. These information provides evidence of how this revolutionary shift is taking place. According to research conducted by McKinsey, approximately 36% of financial institutions have already deployed RPA for the execution of structured operational tasks. By implementing intelligent automation systems, financial institutions were able to achieve tremendous cost reductions and improvements in customer service. For instance, the implementation of RPA technology allowed the European bank Santander to realize cost savings of $2 million and 30,000 man-hours. To streamline their payment procedures, financial institutions are increasingly turning to the use of automated bots. According to IBM, the use of RPA technology at Logicor Network, an independent insurance brokerage network in Brazil, resulted in an improvement of 80% in the efficiency of process execution, as well as an improvement in the dependability of data. Healthcare. Recent medical discoveries and therapies may have made the world a better place. However, the healthcare business continues to suffer with high costs, ineffective patient onboarding systems, and an overwhelming amount of data. This situation is undergoing a slow and steady transformation thanks to the RPA sector. Let's take a quick look at how RPA tools are helping to push forward progress in the healthcare industry. Document digitization. From patient onboarding to health records, RPA software is helping medical institutions better keep track of their patients by digitizing various documents, such as health records and medical histories. The repository of these records can assist medical professionals in improving treatment delivery and reducing instances of inefficiency. Appointment scheduling for patients. RPA bots are helping clinics book appointments and set up reminders for their patients so that they don't miss out on important health checkups because they forgot an appointment. Managing insurance claims. The processes of billing and submitting claims are essential components of health insurance programs. Patients can transfer claims in real time from their providers using RPA bots, and they can promptly settle any follow-up questions they may have. 3 essential aspects that deserve your attention. Because there are fewer resources available and an increasing number of complex client transactions, healthcare providers are looking for innovative solutions to improve delivery, cut costs, and optimize operations. The RPA is having a significant influence in this area. Let's do some number crunching to find out more about the impact of this. According to data conducted by IBM, knowledge workers devote 30% of their time to the search for information necessary for the underwriting and processing of claims. It is possible to save time by automating the processes involved. According to the findings of a survey conducted by Gartner, 50% of healthcare providers in the United States would integrate robotic process automation (RPA) solutions into their operations by the year 2023 to achieve cost optimization. According to recent research, the automation of administrative processes in the healthcare business has resulted in cost savings of more than $166 billion. Commerce in the stores. Powering its back-end processes and effectively managing big order quantities are two things that the fast-paced retail industry needs to do to meet the ever-changing demands of its customers. Customers may become even more dissatisfied as a direct result of order fulfillment delays that are brought on by the necessity of using laborious manual procedures. As a result of the retail industry's need for a solution to these problems, the RPA business has seen considerable success. RPA enables retail firms to concentrate on developing customer experiences that are of more value by automating inventory procedures and performing data analytics, among other things. Here are some examples of common applications of RPA in the retail sector. RPA simplifies the process of analyzing sales data for organizations, making it possible for them to gain access to strategic sales data such as purchases, shop transactions, and internet traffic. You will be able to develop more effective promotional and marketing tactics to engage the target audience now that you have this data. Effective management of stock inventory. The management of inventories is the activity that drives the supply chain. RPA's ability to monitor inventory levels and deliver notifications based on demand patterns is one of the reasons why it is so valuable. These can assist businesses in avoiding the problem of having too much stock or not enough on hand. RPA bots can assist firms in providing enhanced customer care 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Customers receive real-time order updates from automated systems, and automated systems also collect feedback from customers. 3 essential aspects that deserve your attention. According to research conducted by IBM, RPA technologies enabled Cobmax, a telemarketing company in Brazil, to reduce its back-office processes by 50%. This freed up the team to focus on providing clients with experiences that added value to their lives. A recent study conducted by Shopify found that the automation of e-commerce helps businesses save 9.2 million hours of labor by doing away with manual processes. Retail businesses have been able to cut 607,999 hours of human labor down to 46,444 hours of bot labor thanks to the implementation of automated bots. RPA will help you get yourself ready for what lies ahead. RPA not only adds value across multiple industries but also assists businesses in the process of innovating their products. However, it is essential to analyze the technology before putting it into use. A sufficient amount of planning is required to determine how you will embrace the technology and for what business function you will apply it. Scaling the benefits of the technology and positioning yourself for the future both require careful preparation and the advice of industry professionals. At ATC, we have a team of RPA professionals who can analyze the requirements of your company and assist you in putting the most effective solutions into action. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.